Hello, welcome back. Let's start number 19 on the spring 2010 final exam. Which of the following is the negation of the statement, if Dave is interested, I think entomology, then he will study Latin. So I'm going to pretend like that's pronounced entomology. So if Dave is interested in entomology, then he will study Latin. Now I want to know the negation of this. Now we do have a sort of like a formula on how to negate if-thens, because it's an if-then. Now the way we negate this is you would remember if-thens are kind of like they're promises. And so the only way that these can be wrong is if you satisfy the condition. So pretend like this has already happened. So if Dave is interested in entomology, yes. So Dave is interested in entomology. Okay, so you've satisfied the condition part. Okay, but the only way that this if-then can be false, in other words, how is the negation formed? Well, you satisfied the condition, Dave is interested in entomology, but you don't satisfy the consequent, meaning you didn't follow through with your promise. And so, if Dave is interested in entomology, then he will study Latin. The negation would be that Dave is interested in entomology, and let me do this in a different color, he will not study Latin. Because remember, if this was true up here, this was true, then this shouldn't be true. Okay, that's why these are negations. So let's take a look at what we have here. Now, the negation of an if is not an if. So A is gone, and so is E. So Dave is interested in entomology, and he will not study Latin. So far B looks promising. Dave is interested in entomology, and he will study Latin. No. Dave is interested in entomology, or. Well, it's not or. Okay, when you negate an if-then, it does go to an and. Okay. The way I always remember it is that of the three basic ones, and, or, and if-then, everything negates to an and except for and, which negates to or. So the answer to number 19 is B.